Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to create one more scanner. So regarding supply and demand, so we are going to create the order block. So by using our charting scanners, we try to create this particular scanners and a lot of concepts which are available based on the smart money concepts. So this video, one of the order block which we are going to create in this video. So lot of conditions we are going to create here, and maybe using with our customized indicator, I'm just going to create here the scanner and will be shared on our premium groups. So those who are already my premium group member, you can access the scanner free, and anyone who want to join the premium group, you also join on the premium group. It is a very looks like a simple scanner, but it required a lot of conditions to build. Okay, so here one image I'm taken for a reference, where it is a order block. So already we created one of the scanner like a fair value gap. So, but here the fair value gap is the same based on the pattern. So exactly the fair value gap would be there here in this candle, but they are following some patterns. So based on the pattern only, they are finding out whether this breakout is valid or not. So for example, in this two examples here, the low is greater than the close of this particular candle, but here the low is less than the close of this particular red candle. So they find it there is a only different here the low of the second candle in red color, so its low is greater than the body of the candle, but here the low is less than. So both are looks like a similar, but this is not a valid, and it would be a valid. So because the only condition changes is here in the first and the second images, the block, it is a fake out and it is a no trade out or something, no take out, something like that it's showing. And where we can find out a fair value gap, here exactly we finding a fair value gap. So this we called a fair value gap, and also I have already created a FVG gap, that is a fair value gap in my YouTube channel previously regarding this fair value gap. So, but this particular scanner, I'm just going to exactly create this pattern. So, if any stock which forming a such a pattern, and I'm trying to get this particular one, and they say this is an order block. So, the last candle they say it as an order block, and few more condition on the first two or three candles is continuously falling, and then last two candles it is continuously rising. It's a looks like a V-shaped recovery. So where I just noticed it is a like a V-shaped recovery which is happening on this particular image. So that we have to create, and what are the things which we are finding out with this scanner. So this is what the most important thing. So three consecutive candle, high and lower high, and again a lower high, low and lower low and lower low, and then here lower high and then a lower high, and higher high and higher high, and there is a gap between, there is a main conditions here, this two main condition which we are going to create, and this is also be a one more main condition. So we find a fair value gap, then it should be a order block. So we try to create this scanner in our charting, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. And thank you so much those who are joining my channel and subscribing my channel. We are already reached more than 12,000 members on our YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Keep on supporting my channel. Thank you so much. And let me try to create with this reference of this image. We will try to create the particular scanner in a daily time frame. First, we will try to create a daily time frame. Then we can make this into, or we can change that one based on hourly or weekly time frame. So whatever the time frame we want, we can create it. So the first thing which we try to find out, the 1 2 3 4 5 candles. So totally we are taken out the 5 candles, and last 3 candles should be the negative, and first 2 are would be a green candle. So simply open close is the concept where we can use it. Open price greater than close, sorry, it's open. So here it should be the close, and I'm just going to create with the simple conditions only. I'm not going to complex it, but developing that as an exact one, we should use conditions. And one more thing, yeah, so totally five candles, and a second candle, and a third day, and fourth day. So that is fourth day is not available. You can use it an n days ago. So then it will be available fourth day. So here third and fourth. Simply I'm just creating with a simple condition. I'm not using any customized indicator here, and I'm trying to find out whether it is exactly, and we will be adding one more condition and conditions, then it would be a better one to find out. So what exactly this will tell you, to last 2 days the stock should be positive, and last 3 days stock would be negative. So let me try with Manappuram. So let me trading view, we will be using trading view to find those stocks. Manappuram, Aditya Birla. If we try Manappuram, yeah. So 1 to 3 days down and 2 days positive. So that is what the condition which we have created, but it doesn't look like a fair value gap. I hope you understood. So we have to find the exact fair value gap what we seen on this image, but it is 3 days negative and the fourth day would be a positive one. So that's right. Here we have to add a few more conditions that will help you to find out the low of the particular day. Just we try to do, I'm just using a simple conditions, the latest low must be greater than, maybe if you're following this video you can also create the scanner. I'm not using any customized indicators. So daily low must be greater than the low of 1 day ago. So that means it will tell you the low, and as 1 day ago low should be 2 days ago low. So let me add one more conditions that I'm just creating with the scanner. So exactly I'm just following the images to find out. Okay, so this is an image and where you can exactly see. So let me try, and yeah, okay, so here with this in image we can try to create the scanner. Okay, so this is what our image. So here I'm just creating this particular scanner. Let me try to do it. Yeah, so I'll be completing one by one, so it will be best idea to find another block. So running the scan, first we need to save this to find the subname. It's not saved. Yeah, it's saved. So Manappuram, it shows Manappuram. I think my internet is disconnected. Manappuram, yeah. So this will be finding out the low. This two candles is finally we derived, and here this high, it must be less than the -1. Even it not higher than this open. So this particular day's high, that is what 2 days ago high, less than the 3 days ago open. Okay, so that is what a conditions. So high of 2 days ago high. Just I'm just creating less than 3 days ago open. Open 3 days ago, and the same we copy it 3 days. Copy this 3 days ago high should be 4 days ago open. So if you follow this, IDFC first, only one stock, IDFC first bank. So let me try. Yeah, exactly. It looks like the pattern which we are looking. Maybe here that concept, and let me look at the image. What it is exactly 3 consecutive days down. Yes, it's down, and it may be an order block. Okay, so here you can see exactly the pattern which you are looking at. So 1 and 2 and a 3, and this low should be greater than the previous one, and body is closed less than this, and next day it is a big, and the next day maybe here is an order black. So okay, so only we have to add a few more condition. I simply to find out this low must be, that is what, 1 2 3 4, third one is the latest, -1 -2 -3, -3 candle lows should be greater than the -2 candle. So let me check that conditions. Okay, that should be money candle 0 -1 -2 -3, -3 candles. low should be greater than low of minus 3 2 minus 2. Okay, so I'm just simply following the steps and try to finding this IDFC. It looks like the same, and minus 2 close is open is greater than the close, and the close is lesser than the low. Okay, that one more conditions it taking a huge, and minus 2 open open minus 2, that means day, minus 2 open greater than low of minus 3, and simply adding close less than, close less than. If it is satisfying all the conditions, then the stock would be on our scanner. So here IDFC, because it is exactly the same what we are looking here in this image, and it should be exactly same that other blocks that which we are finding out. So let me check on a backtest result, and here some three stocks. 19th August, same IDFC First Bank on 19th August, 19th August, where it should be maybe here, and this is what an order block. Maybe it is triggered right now. So I'm just no, I'm not discussing about how to trade or how to take a trade based on this concept. I'm just following how the patterns, how it works or how it identified. So as per 19th, this is 19th and this is what order block. Okay, so where exactly market taken order block area, and it is bounces back 71.49 to 73, and this is what a current order block, and this open close should be greater than that. That is right, and this is also be a perfect order block. So and the same time, Aarti Industries India Mart, whether it is satisfying our conditions, where at the exact date is 19/8. I think this is also be the same, but here the second candle it is not because it is a huge far, it's a huge drop from that correct thing, but it is not closed above the level. So minus one candle close greater than the, even we have to filter some of the logics here. Minus one close, we close greater than high. Exactly, I'm just deriving the stock. So this is what a minus one, and it should be minus two. That's a third day. If you are taking that, maybe the Aarti Industries would not be on the remote on the backtest result. Yeah, you can see Aarti Industries same date it is not available, but IDFC Bank available, JK Cement India Mart. So let me try for an India Mart. One here I think 6th August. Sorry, 19th. Here that is an exact point. 19th August, 3 consecutive. Here, where we are looking at on the order block, exactly we derived with the charting scanners. So this is our pattern on 19th, and where we are looking for a valid order block with this particular indicator or particular scanner that will helping you to finding out an order block. So where exactly we created that order block. So here, so this may be an order block, but I'm not discussing how to take a trade and where to keep a stop loss. I'm not discussing. I'm just seeing that order block out. So maybe in next videos or you will be getting how we can effectively change this conditions to create. And this is what a perfect order block. So as per the image where you can look at, and I'm just talking about that one exactly we created it. So this is not a valid order block as per this image, and here it is a valid order block. So where exactly we created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this particular area, we find out the order block. So if you want any customized indicator, so I'm just making you for a charges, small minimum charges basis, you can also get your own scanners, and I will be helping you to create. And if you want to access my premium group, you just join my premium group and you can access all my premium scanners with customized indicator. And let me check the backtest result. UBL United Beverages Limited, that is also a valid order block here. and that is giving you some, but I don't whether I'm trying to buy here or whenever market retracement that level I'm trying to, but I'm not discussing about that, but I'm just going to find out the exact order block. Sorry, JK Cement. JK Cement, that's a perfect one. Here 1 2 3, and again it went higher. Maybe there is an area is an order block area, but at this maybe a reversal point also. It looks like a lowest level and then it reversed back, so it looks like a very interesting thing. So where the reversal is happening, maybe in later we will try to check this and try to find out where to take an entry. ICC General Insurance, ICC GI. Yeah, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, that should be ICICI Prudential. Here ICICI Prudential and ICICI Lombard, ICICI True Life. Okay, so it is on 28 August, July. Ah, this is one more area where we find this opportunity. So three consecutive down, 1, 2, 3, and where it is forming an order block. So in this case, after that order block, the market is slightly moving. The testing to the level, no. So, but it is moving. But after forming such a kind of pattern, it is moving. But here should be the order block as per the logic. So this candle should be an order block candle where we are looking for. Maybe we'll decoding this kind of formulas with our charting scanners. I need your supports on my channel to giving. So recently we made a supply and demand concepts. So a lot of people who are engaging with my channel. So that gives me some engagement, and we are trying to create Dr. Reddy to 8. Try. Here is the block. And this one, maybe if you are using this 1 2 3 2nd August, this order block, well, it is works. Let me try. And this is what a candle exactly. And this order block, this time it bounces that tested to the level and then it moves well also. So from that point, and it moves almost 2%, and again second time it tested, and from that this time it went higher. But previously we are not see it never tested, but this time it tested, and by using this order block candle, so three consecutive down. And here you can see this is what one more condition we have to fix it. This candle should be the very big candle, but this low should be greater than the previous one. That is what 1 0 1 2 3, the third candle or fourth candle low should be greater than the third candle. So we have to add one more conditions here. Okay, so low greater than low. Okay, only high and low close. Open, high, low close with this condition we are creating. So we used the fourth candle, low greater than the third candle. Okay, so if we are using this condition, that Dr. Reddy, which is happening on the date, is on somewhere around 2/8. It may be not, it run scan and it will be not available on the back test. Second 8, 2/8. You can see the stock is not there. It's a previous 19th, and this is what 25th July only. Polycap. So that would be removed. So while we are creating the scanners, the condition should be very important. Without a condition, we can't create a 25th. There is a huge movement, and this should be. And here you can see, this is what a perfect one. So this zone, like what do we say? It is a just wait. This should be the zone here. It tested here, perfectly tested at the bottom, and from that point it is moving well. So if anyone who know about the concepts, how to use it and where to take entry, but you can explain this almost 10% from that one, after that zone which formed after three consecutive candles, and then it forming as such a breakout pattern. So, and also if you are looking at, it is a perfectly a V shaped recovery. Okay, maybe we can use this candle high to break, and maybe this swing as a stop loss, something we can use it. But by using this particular scanner, I'm not taking your much more time. So almost the video is going too far. Make so it is taking a huge time. So thanks for your support. And if you have to modify anything, so we can modify it, and this will help you to find the order blocks candle with the charting scanner. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. And if you have any questions or doubt, just ping me on the comment box. And if you have to join my premium Telegram group for scanners only, then you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me, and thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you.